TechGolly trending news now.
Europe is making a massive bet on AI gigafactories in an ambitious effort to close the gap with the US and China in the global artificial intelligence race. The European Union has committed billions of euros to build these large-scale facilities, which aim to industrialize the manufacturing of AI. The idea, pushed by tech leaders like NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang, is to create a dynamic ecosystem that brings together computing power, data, and talent all in one place. These factories are essentially massive data centers filled with powerful processors, GPUs, that can train and run advanced AI models. The EU has long been a laggard in the AI field, held back by higher energy costs and slower decision-making. To change this, the bloc has put up 10 billion euros to set up 13 smaller AI factories and another 20 billion euros as a starting point for the larger gigafactories. The goal is to give Europe's 7,000 AI startups the computing power they desperately need to compete. However, the plan faces significant hurdles. Building these gigafactories will require billions more in private investment. A key challenge is their massive power consumption. A single gigafactory could use as much electricity as a small city, and Europe's aging power grid may not be ready. Despite the challenges, EU officials are optimistic. The first smaller AI factory is set to open in the coming weeks, and they believe this initiative is crucial for building Europe's technological sovereignty and making it a major player in the intelligence revolution.